Well, there's certainly a diversification element to small cap. I think there's a lot of unique characteristics of small caps that make them very different than large caps. From our perspective, we see them being less covered by the street, therefore there's a lot more volatility, and there's a lot of managers that see it as an opportunity to deliver alpha. So any strategies that are dependent upon steady long-term volatility could take advantage of the small cap asset class. We saw a persistent difference between the implied volatility and the realized volatility, but it's true it has compressed over the last few years. It would be interesting to see what the last week has done, where all of a sudden volatility comes back into the market in a very big way. So we've seen these compressions in the past, but the one thing that we have seen is that it's been a consistent phenomenon in the market, and I don't know that there's something structural happen to change that in the long term. Well, our study showed that option selling strategies are able to provide cushion in downside markets, lower your volatility, and lower your maximum drawdowns. I think the most recent events that we've had in the market show that a savvy investor needs to understand the tools that they can use to do that, and option selling strategy are certainly one of these tools that should be considered.